Alright, so ayan na. This is it, Hong Kong. Thank you very much for all the memories that we bring. And now, kailangan na tayong umalis ng maaga dahil flight natin 11. We have to be in the airport earlier. I'll press it. So, I'm going to miss this hotel. Thank you very much. So, hintayin muna natin sila. Ano, baba na or we're going to wait? Yeah, the elevator is open.
Let's wait for them in the reception.
So, let's wait for them in the lobby, guys. So, thank you very much. I will miss Hong Kong. Yeah. Hi! Wow, nauna na. So guys, ayun, we're going to check out this hotel and uuwi na tayo ng Pilipinas after 1 week in Hong Kong. Ito, you want to take, gusto nyo mag-picture sa Christmas tree. So, ayan, mama, wait lang, nagvi-video po ako, kaya... So, once again, this is the elevator. I'm going to miss this. I'll try one more time to press it. Hindi, check ko lang elevator. So guys, si Lola is looking for the van that we are going to ride to the airport. And yun nga, tapos na bakasyon natin sa Hong Kong. And I will miss you so much, Hong Kong. Thank you. Uuwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. So medyo antok pa ako, guys, no? Imagine mo, parang ayoko mag-check out I don't wanna check out, pero kailangan na talaga nating umuwi ng Pilipinas because vacation is over and magpapahinga na rin sa bahay doon, no? So once again, going to miss you so much, Hong Kong. Okay, end ko muna tong video na to dahil mamaya see you na lang sa next episode ulit, ha. Okay, bye-bye.